Blue Sky Bio's Max NP Forte guided and non-guided drill kit is a dual-purpose kit that can be used for both wide and narrow areas in the mouth. This set can be used for guided and non-guided drill sequences. The wider drill set can be used for wider interproximal spaces, and the narrow drill set can be used for narrow interproximal spaces. Additional drills, paralleling pins, and implant drivers are also included in the kit. The guided drills can be used for wider interproximal areas, such as this example illustrated here. Guided drills can also be used for narrow interproximal spaces, like the example seen here. This same guided drill system can also be used as an unguided stop kit system. The wider drills are used for wider interproximal spaces. The wider portion of the drill also acts as a stop on the bone in non-guided surgery. Like the wider drills, the narrow drills can also be used as a stop kit, specifically for narrow interproximal spaces using the wider portion of the drill as a stop on the bone.